Hello, my name is Stevens and come from Newsunshine competition. We are the professional manufacturers specialized in LED lighting in Shenzhen, China. Today it is my pleasure to introduce our 20-watt LED floodlight for you. Our list 20-watt LED floodlights have CE and LOS list. We use the ballast LED tubes and the memory drivers inside. The lumen can reach 1,800. It can replace about 14-watt MH lights. And this is light, and this light is IP65 design. It can use outdoor lighting. This light is our patent design for the thin hastings, and with a good quality and low price. If you have any interesting, please visit our website www.newsunshine.net. Thank you.